The miracle medicinal plant ashwagandha health benefits. Ashwagandha is an incredible hormonal medicinal plant. Ashwagandha is an adaptogen plant. It can help your body manage stress. When in excess stress, it can affect our hormone, contribute to weight gain and muscle mass loss. It also provides all sorts of other benefits for your body and brain. Ashwagandha can control lower blood sugar levels, reduce cortisol, boost brain function and help fight symptoms like anxiety and depression. It has been utilized for more than 3,000 years to relieve stress, increment vitality levels and improve focus. Ashwagandha is one of the most important herbs in Ayurveda, a form of alternative medicine based on Indian and Africa principles of natural healing. Ashwagandha is very helpful for treating, for example, reduce blood sugar levels, anti-cancer properties, inflammation of the body, reduce cortisol levels, reduce stress and anxiety, reduce symptoms of depression, boost testosterone and increase fertility in men. So here's a list of 5 essential benefits of this miracle herb, ashwagandha. 1. It can reduce diabetes. It can also reduce blood sugar levels. Several human studies have found, ashwagandha has the ability to reduce blood sugar levels in both healthy people and those with diabetes. 2. It can prevent cancer cells. Animal and test tube studies have found that ashwagandha can help induce apoptosis, which is the programmed death of cancer cells. It also prevents the growth of new cancer cells in several ways. 3. It can reduce cortisol levels. Cortisol is known as a stress hormone in light of the fact that your adrenal organs discharge it in response to stress, as well as when your blood sugar levels excessively low. Unfortunately, in some cases, cortisol levels may turn out to be incessantly raised, which can prompt high blood sugar levels and increased fat storage in the abdomen. Studies have demonstrated that ashwagandha may help diminish cortisol levels. 4. Helps to reduce stress and anxiety. Ashwagandha is perhaps best known for its capacity to decrease stress. Researchers reported that ashwagandha blocked the stress pathway in the brains of people by regulating chemical signaling in the nervous system. A few controlled human investigations have shown that it can effectively reduce symptoms in people with stress and anxiety disorders as well. A 6-week study, 88% of people who took ashwagandha reported a reduction in anxiety, compared to 50% of those who took a placebo. 5. Reduce high cholesterol level. In addition to its anti-inflammatory effects, ashwagandha may help improve heart health and reducing cholesterol levels and triglyceride levels. Recent studies have found, drinking ashwagandha tea significantly decreases these blood fats. In a 60-day study in chronically stressed adults, the group taking the highest dosage of standardized ashwagandha extract experienced a 17% decrease in bad LDL cholesterol and an 11% decrease in triglycerides, on average. In order to obtain this benefit, you can drink ashwagandha tea, which despite their bitter taste, also provide thermogenic effects, which can help you burn fat. In order to improve the taste of the tea, you can combine ashwagandha with other herbs. Some people prefer to consume ashwagandha in supplement form. When it's consumed in the morning, it can give you extra energy that you are needing. If it's consumed at night, it can actually provide greater relaxation, which can contribute to good night's sleep. Are you visiting my channel for the first time? Then click the subscribe and click the bell icon to watch more videos.